Hello, my name is Young, and today we're going to talk about the sound of the reason why normally in English we don't end words with J, and we are going to explain the reason. There are certain letters in English that when we write spelling of words, we don't end with them. For example, I've just mentioned J. Not only J, we have I, we have V. So today I want to give you only three examples. J, V, I. These letters are not used to end an English spelling. And someone will ask, what about spaghetti? Spaghetti end with I. Even though it end with I, it is not an English word. Spaghetti is an Italian word, spaghetti, because native English words do not end with I, V, J. So today let's quickly go through the J rule. Why English words do not end with J, the letter J. That's what we're looking at, the spelling rule. So we are going to the spelling rules for DG. That is the DJ is pronounced as J. So we have three. The J itself is J, like example jam. Then we have the DGE. Then we have the GE. We're going to look at all of them step by step. Let's keep going. And the G. Today we are looking at the two, DGE and the GE. The rules. Why we don't end English word with J. Instead of J, we put the DGE or GE instead. English words do not end in J. Very important. English words do not end with J. So we must replace it with GE. We must replace with GE or DGE respectively. So here there are simple rules governing this. The first rule is that if you want to write GE as ending sound, it means that before GE it should follow with a long vowel. And if you want to end a syllable with DGE, it means before that there should be a short vowel. For example, a word like badge, and G, a word like stage. You say the word stage, the A is a long vowel. This is what we're talking about. So DGE rules. Let's look at the rules. For example, we have one example here. The word is what? Ledge, ledge. So we have the word ledge. You see that here before the J sound, it is followed by E, and this E is a short vowel. Example, as in egg, is a short vowel. Egg. Or example word in the middle word or medieval word like bed, B-E-D, but bed. It's a short vowel, therefore we have to end with DG. Let's look at the next example. The next example is hedge. One more time. Hedge. So the word hedge, we still have our E, which is a short vowel. Therefore, it must end with DG because it is a short vowel or it is a closed syllable. Now let's look at the next example. Let me push up my camera. The next example is or J or J. So we have two pronunciations to this word. The first pronunciation is lodge, 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 and the second pronunciation is large, 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 or lodge. Here our first is A. Our first is A, which sounds here as our first word is O. The vowel is O, sorry, which sounds O. So O is O. So here it's a short vowel, therefore with the DG. And here also is R, not A. So we end with the DG. Let's look at the next example. Our next example is badge. Badge. So we have our a, it's a short vowel. B, a, ch, badge. Therefore, we must use the DG. So in a nutshell, when a word ends, when a word, a vowel, short vowel is followed by DG, therefore we use the spelling DG because it is followed by a short vowel. That is the rule. It is followed by a short vowel. Whenever it is followed by a short vowel, we have to use a DG sound. J, J. So we have three J pronunciation: the GE, J, and the DG, J, and the J, J. Let's take the last one. We'll end this lesson. What do you think about the rule for the DG? I've just explained that it is used after a short vowel. So when you are doing pronunciation where the DG follows a short vowel, then you have to spell, in spelling, you have to spell with DG. These are called spelling rules. They help us in order to spell a word correctly. Formula. So the formula is short vowel before the J sound, which is J sound, will be spelled DG. So whenever there's a short vowel before the sound J, we always spell it as DG because of the short vowel. See you. Bye.